Hearsay is a statement made outside a court setting that's offered to prove that what it says is true. The hearsay rule's aim is to exclude most hearsay evidence because it's considered unreliable, but the rule has a multitude of exceptions based on the belief that certain kinds of statements are more likely to be trustworthy. One exception is for statements perceived as harmful to the speaker's interests. These statements are considered likely to be trustworthy because people don't ordinarily make false statements that could harm them. Donnelly v. United States addresses this exception. Donnelly was charged with murdering a Native American man on a federal reservation. At trial, Donnelly sought to admit evidence that a man named Joe Dick had confessed to the murder. Because Dick had died after confessing, he was unavailable to testify. Other evidence showed that Dick lived nearby and likely would have known the victim's habits, that footprints at the crime scene led to a camp where Dick was staying, and that someone who suffered from shortness of breath, as Dick did, had likely sat down along the footprint track. The trial court excluded Dick's confession as hearsay. Donnelly was convicted. He appealed to the United States Supreme Court.